Good evening everyone, I am Kusmanjali. Today I am going to explain about some phonics. Particularly 3 letters I have taken which form a word. Let us start. I have taken S, A, T and now we'll start from S. And S sounds S and T. A sounds A and now it's T. And T sounds T. And these 3 letters, by being side, they are going to form a word. And we make the word by using these 3 phonic sounds separately and combining it to form a word. And this letter sound is S. And this A. And this it's T. S, A, T. S, at. S, at. Sat. S, A, T. It forms sat. So, the word which formed is sat.